You know this is Zony, the one and only, and watch now. Me represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do it. Def them.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. Woo! Today, guys, we are with Jah Vinci. Yeah, man. Friends like these. Jah Vinci. Bad singer, bad artist, real singer. Big up yourself, my G. Jumping on here with the G. Friends like these, Jah Vinci. Let's go. Drop top records.
Verse 9. Even my friend, the one I have trusted completely, the one who I share my food with, has turned against me. Yo, drop that. See friends like this.
Logic, big up yourself, my G. Tell them.
You was someone we really used to trust. Never know I saw your bad man. Even leave you with the keys to me heart. We know your search at tough.
Hold on. All right. Let's do this. Let's react to the music video first. No, let's react to the audio first, and then we go back to the music video. See? Cause a lot is going on. All right. So it have a storyline to it, to both. So let's go. Audio first.
Psalms 41, verse 9.
Let me close my eye.
Even my friend, the one I have trusted completely, the one who I share my food with, has turned against me. Yo, drop that. See friends like this.
Supreme, big up yourself. Logic. Ready? Why?
You was someone we really used to trust. Never know I saw your bad man.
Yeah.
Even leave you with the keys to me heart. We know your search at tough time.
So you're the one who me trust, brother. Me have you as my brother from another mother. We grew together. We consume food together, bro. Me even leave the key to my house to you, bro. So you can go fuck girl or do whatever you do, because you can't carry them home. Because I remember I say, you live with your parents or you live with your woman and thing. You don't really want, you understand? You don't want to violate. So me girl, me key to my house. I mean, know you search it up enough time, because you're a pussy.
Even leave you with the keys to me heart. We know your search at tough time. You fit thank God me the dead of the night. When you don't walk on the enemy line. Not even that could change your mind. I see where you're stopping them about enough time.
Even though I save your life that night when you walk on the enemy line. Even though the man they want to kill you, but I me make them not kill you because them know me and them rate me. That still never change your mind, brother. You just fuck up.
Not even that could change your mind. I see where you're stopping them about enough time. I was someone you used to run to. If them have got me, I've gone to die.
Yeah.
Me never felt for sure you say me love you. Can't believe what this really come to now.
Dog. When you're in your problem them on the road, me are the one where you forward to. Because you know, say if a fire war, me have me fire. Me have me fire power for back anything, J. I'm here to forward it. I'm going to guess what? Nothing never too good for me do for you, bro. As a G. But all this time, you're pre me because you're a pussy.
Me never felt for sure you say me love you. Can't believe what this really come to now. Friends like these. Friends like these.
Friends like these. The next night, me not concentrate on the video, man.
Friends like these. Friends like these. You see
Friends like these.
Friends like these.
Alright.
Chop them a serious. Rough like all the syrup. Out here take risk them thing when I play a hero. But
Drop top. Big up yourself, my G. Birmingham, London. Big up on yourself. You hear me I say, drop top. Me serious. Me rough like all the sea rough. Me serious like a heart attack, brother. Me serious now.
rough like all the syrup. Out here take risk them thing when I play a hero. But mine now if you do not feed them pre or them on another level. I mean what them can't keep on Jah.
That alone make them not like you because you're on another level. Them can't keep up with you. Them not gonna like you because them feel say you feel on the same level as them. Suck your mother.
Now if you do not feed them pre or them on another level. I mean what them can't keep on Jah. See the blessing where you give me, them just won't take it from me. Oh Jah, me see nobody no perfect. And them friend don't make good charge. Yeah.
Them friend don't make good. Them don't make it. Some of them boys don't make it for chewing a dog. Some of them girls don't make it for chewing a dog. Them don't make it for chew, bro. My blessing where you give me, Father God, them want to take it from me. Like a them they give me it, a them have it. Oh, I'm told no dog, what is this? Suck your mother too.
Oh, Jah, me see nobody no perfect, and them friends don't make good charge. Yeah, with friends like this, with friends like this, with friends like this, with friends like this. You see friends like this, friends like this. You see friends like
this.
Don't drop down.
Yeah, man, we go. Go back and go to the video, man. Yeah, man, I never want to miss nothing, you see? Oi! Yeah, man. Alright, concentrate on the video now, cause the reason why I do it, sir, cause it have a storyline in the video. So someone concentrate on the storyline now. Video time now.
The one who I share my food with has turned against me. Yo, drop that. See friends like this. Can't tell about them that. Yeah, hear me? You was someone who really used to trust. Never knew I saw you bad man. People leave you with the keys to me.
So him just get a call, say yo, in flight confirmed. So that means I'm a fly out for a better life. And knowing the love when my him friend, him that probably help him friend with him too. You understand?
You know you search a tough time. You fit on God me the dead of the night. When you da walk when
you see that? My different him friend. My different him friend because him have him think on him too, you know.
Not even that could change your mind. I see him way you stop me down about enough time. I was someone you used to run to. If them have got me, I've gone to die. Me never felt for sure you say me love you. Can't believe what this really come to.
Look one Jah Vinci face. You can't believe it just go. Look one Jah Vinci face.
Me never felt for sure you say me.
Look one Jah face. Look one Jah face. Look one Jah face. Look one Jah face.
Love you. Can't believe what this really come to now. With friends like these.
Yo, I must say, yo, watch the black film. Listen, tomorrow, early tomorrow, me I cut out. So just watch the black film. You hear that?
With friends like this. With friends like this.
Next night, blood clot.
You see friends like this. Friends like this. You see friends like this.
Time get some look away, man. They go around the man out.
Rough like how they see rough out. Ya take risk them thing when I play a hero. Bad mind now. If you do not feed them pay you. Them on another level and me know them can't keep on Jah.
Rob the youth house, you know. Them a rob the youth house.
See the blessing when you give me them just won't take it from me. Oh, Jah, me see nobody no perfect. And them friends don't make good charge. Yeah, with friends like this. With friends like this. With friends like
this. Watch it.
Friends like this.
So him there, so him there, so.
Friends like this.
So him there, so with the G, everything good in a film eyes, not the G eyes, but him send some youth go rob the man house.
Friends like this. You see friends like this. Friends like this. You see friends like this. What about friends like this?
You're appetitive. You appetitive. You're hungry. Look where you got teeth. Cornflakes. Some rat pies and should I night blood clot. Your two teeth. You're appetitive. You're for dead. You're for dead. Your teeth cornflakes back so even open. Look what look with that drinks with your teeth. Look what yo them boy I see. Look what look with that. Look why look with that drink with my teeth. That's why I send me the one react to the video separately, the dog. Yo, what the going on? Go stuck with the mother to the dog. Think about sick better.
I really say no thing go. If you're real, just stay real, my dog, man. What you say?
Yeah, man, stay real, man. Watch it. Look at that drink, like, yo. Man couldn't button them up outside and mash them up, man. Logic, big up yourself. Drop top, big up yourself. Leave me no Logics. So the moral of the story is don't trust anybody. Some boy and some girl where you feel said they're with you and thinks that your friend. Them just want to see your downfall. Them just want to see your downfall. Like literally the next night after the man cut, when you go and ramsack in place and thief a cornflakes box. Open cornflakes, you know, I don't want a buckler full one to, you know, dog. Buckle of drink. Little tip of drinks in the bottom of the buckle. Like, petty. But the moral of the story is you have people like this out there that's doing this shit, bro. So with friends like these who need enemies for real, dog, Jah Vinci, big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself, though. You always forward with the realest topic, them, where people can relate to. Because enough people has been hurt by so-called friends. You see me? But I'm a friend of me. You see me? Champions from a real friend, real pin from a sham friends. Remember, I'm tell you that. Yeah, big up yourself, Jah Vinci. Drop top, big up yourself. Logics, big up yourself. Production team, big up yourself. Yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one, though. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, rock on earth.